Dis tyd vir 'n bietjie koers.
Dis tyd vir kuns, dis is kunstige mense. Quirky
en
whimsical. Wag, ek hou daai is nou my woord vir die week.
Ja.
Ek is whimsical. Dit laat my goed voel.
Dit is beskryf ons twee perfek. So
whimsical,
quirky en
quirky, vintage.
ja, ons gaan nou by 'n lekker plek kuier.
Baie lekker plek
Baie
kuier.
inspirasie. Ons het die
As jy klaar gekuier het, gaan jy sommer nou in Augustus al jou kersboom opslaan.
Kom saam.
Ja. Is jy siek en sat vir die jaar, soos ons almal. Maar dit is darm al Augustus, wat beteken Kersfees is om die draai. En dis hoekom ons by Mildred van Ludwig kuier vandag. Sy is bekend vir haar jaarlikse uitstalling by die Namibiese Craft Center van Christmas in July, or August as it may be. Mildred, weer eens, ek wil alles sê, dit is so, dis soos 'n tonic wat 'n mens hier so in die middel van die jaar kry. Want ja, net 'n bietjie joy. Was dit jou plan met hierdie uitstallings? Hoe het dit begin? Hoekom het jy besluit in die middel van die jaar kom ons hou 'n Kersmark?
Oh, so we've started this actually, I think 14 years back, so that the tourists can experience the Namibian Christmas, because the craft center is mainly for the tourists, but
Yes.
also for locals.
Oh yes.
So we wanted to show how we celebrate Christmas, what our Christmas trees look like, you know, what our Christmas decorations look like, and also give the tourists that mainly come in this time, to give them a chance to buy the things and bring them home and have memories for their Christmas time.
En doen 'n slag 'n Kersfees, 'n Afrika Kersfees. En doen weg met die vlokkietjies en die dennebolle en hierdie is Kersfees, nie Europese Kersfees nie. Jy het soos gewoonlik 'n absolute fantastiese versameling hier by mekaar gebring. Ek is mal oor hierdie sakke. Vertel vir ons van die sakke.
So these bags are from South Africa. They're very popular because it's a leisure animal on the couch. So we've got, this year's theme was actually a whimsical Christmas. And this company, funnily enough, is also called Whimsical. But I think the whole combination of all the other things that we've got is really, it's fun and it's exciting and it's, yeah, just a breath of fresh air.
En ek is mal oor die woord whimsical. Ek kan nou, for the life of me, kan ek nou nie onthou wat is whimsical in Afrikaans nie. Maar dit is wat Kersfees ook vir my doen. Dit bring herinneringe van toe jy nog 'n kind was en die familie en baie van ons het nou al familie deur die jare verloor. So jy het ook nie meer die Kersfees saam met hulle nie. Maar die joy van daai tyd, dit is net whimsical. Dit bring net feel good gedagtes by jou op. En hierdie wat natuurlik vir my so goed werk is, mense raak so die groot 5 is nie almal groot 5 nie. Hier's Itermagos ook, hier's Itermagos ook. Dis nie die groot 5 nie, maar tradisioneel het die groot 5 so half 'n kliseë geraak, nê?
Ja.
En ek is gek oor daai zebra. Daai zebra is vir my so snaaks. Ons producer, Steve, jy moet vir hom afneem, want ek gaan hom saamvat huis toe. Hy gaan nie meer hier wees nie. Hy gaan saam met my huis toe. Wat interessant is nou ook vir my, is dat dit is nie net 'n Namibiese kers, maar jy gaan scout in Afrika om van die beste en funkies te goed gekry. Hoe kom jy daarop af? Waar soek jy dit?
So a lot of things I found on trade fairs. A lot of the things that you see here are from long-standing relationships with the suppliers, who are mainly all the suppliers also in South Africa, Kenya. It's always groups of people, you know, like supporting people and uplifting the community. So it's not just if you buy something here, it's not only that you buy a bag, but you buy someone's sweat and tears and someone's like love for their family to provide for them. So it's not only something that you take home, it's something that actually is value to someone else as
Ja,
well.
absoluut. Dit is vir hierdie mense 'n geweldige bron van inkomste is die arts and crafts gedeelte van Afrika, omdat iets is waarmee ons so goed is.
Yeah. So we've got some of the, like I said, some of the people that I work with, we come up with new designs, especially for this exhibition. So like the ceramics and some of the textiles, and especially our embroidery group, which is now 42 years old.
En dit is nou
Ikoba, yeah.
Ikoba, ja.
So there we now already, we're starting for next year. Because the production and everything takes so long, you know, to get it out to the rural areas and to get the stuff back. So it really takes some time, and also for them to get the new idea and work with the new idea. And yeah, so we start now already to come up with a new theme, and then hopefully next year we get to top ourselves again. It's getting, it's if you're in competition with yourself.
With yourself, nee, maar dit is ook 'n baie goeie ding. Jy moet jouself heeltyd challenge. Kom ons bly gou so 'n bietjie by Namibië en spesifiek by Ikoba. Jy sê jy is 42 jaar oud. Dag gou vir ons hoe het dit begin?
So it was a project that my mother and her sisters started on their farm where they grew up, as to give the women mainly something to do when they because the husbands usually worked, and you know, on the farm with the cattle and everything. So now the ladies also had something to do, and so since then we've flourished into a big group of people, and we also added now to the Ikoba group, we added the bead artists that are also part of our group, so it's expanded, and
En vir iets om meer as 40 jaar te bestaan, nee, dis 'n brand. Dis amper 'n household name in terme van crafts al hierso. Hoe is julle internasionale exposure gedeelte?
So we had, my mother went to a lot of trade fairs in Germany where a lot of people got to know the brand, if I can call it that, may call it that. So I think a lot of people in Namibia now know the project well now. We're not on the level of everybody knows us yet, but we might get there in another few years.
En dis hoofsaaklik borduurwerk wat dan in kussingslope en tafeldoeke en goed omskep word.
Exactly, yeah.
En hoeveel vrouens het julle nou betrokke by die projek?
It's about, I would say, 250.
Dit is ongelooflik as jy vat meer as 200 vroue, en ons weet vroue in hierdie land is nie net die emotional backbone van die huis nie, maar baie dikwels ook die financial backbone. So vir hulle om 'n stroom inkomste te hê is ongelooflik.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think it's a proud thing also, you know, like a family business, and we're all proud of the project, and we're all working to make it better, and
Ons gaan net gou vir Steven vra om asseblief vir ons die kamera net na daai kant toe te skuif, en ons gaan net gou oorbeweeg na die kant toe.
Okay.
Local is lekker, en dis hoekom ons nog steeds kuier by Ikoba se goed. Hierdie is dis nie iets wat ek tradisioneel met Ikoba sou verbind het nie. Hoe lank doen julle nou al hierdie design?
So this design is this year's new design, or one of the new designs.
Funky.
Yeah, with the oryx with the sunglasses. Yeah, like all the animals, like a portraiture shot from the front. Yeah, so that's one of the new designs that we have this year.
Dit is werklik pragtig. En soos altyd, met al hulle goed, die net om te wys, dis 'n mens wat hierdie ding sit en maak. Al hulle goed natuurlik het ook die name uitgeborduur. Regtig besonder. Hierdie sê jy, vertel 'n storie.
Yeah, it's from a children's book. That colorful elephant, I don't know if you know that Elma, the colorful elephant. That's inspired by that children's book.
Jy sien, dit is ongelooflik. Hierdie is 'n Theresia Garras wat hierdie ouetjie gemaak het. Absoluut pragtig. Maar dit is nie net hierdie nie. Ook hierdie is Namibies.
Yeah, these are made by local bead artists, which come from Zimbabwe. They live here, but they come,
En hierdie is
Nespresso capsules,
Dis recycling. Dis recycling op sy beste, nê? As jy vat daai fancy koffiemasjienkie met daai koppietjies en waar gaan dit alles heen? Dis ongelooflik. En dis gewild by toeriste, hulle hou daarvan.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, these guys are very popular with the tourists. This one doesn't work like that, but the other ones we've designed that we can remove the horns so that you can put this one in a little box and then those go into the suitcase so that you can take it with you when you fly off.
Ja, dis makliker om te verpak want dit is nogal 'n groot baba hierdie. O genade. Henry het soos altyd raak nou jaloers want ek haak nou die spotlight. Maar intussen tyd wat sy nou skelm moet doen, dit is sy het al die mooi goed gekies. So ek moet gaan shop en kyk wat oorbly en ek gaan nou vir Mildred vir Henry gee dat sy tog ook net 'n bietjie kan praat.
Mildred, jou het nou baie gefokus op Ikoba, wat eintlik al sinoniem is met julle, maar ons staan nou vir die mooiste keramiekware. Ek wil nou nie dit optel nie, maar ek wil so graag wys. Kyk hoe mooi is die. Van waar is dit? Hierdie beautiful keramiek. Want jy sê dit was nie laas jaar hier nie, nee, dis nuwe goeders.
Yeah, last year we did have ceramics. It's from Elzona. It's made in South Africa.
Okay.
But so the lady that makes this with a group of people is called Elzona.
Okay.
And we sat last year and we came up with a nice design, especially for this Christmas in July. Okay. And now this year we did the same thing. So this is specifically only for this exhibition. And then afterwards we usually make some more for our different shops in Swakopmund and Windhoek. Yeah.
So met ander woorde, hierdie is spesifiek ontwerp vir hierdie uitstalling, né? So dis eintlik baie uniek. Jy gaan hom nou nie volgende jaar gaan nou nie weer presies dieselfde ding kry nie.
No, hopefully we can do another range for next year.
Jy is baie betrokke by hierdie goed. Ek dink mense moet ook besef, dis nie net jy staan nou nie net hier en verduidelik wat hier aangaan nie. Verduidelik vir my, hoe is jy betrokke by die proses? Hoe besluit jy? So met ander woorde, jy's die kunstenaar wat besluit dis wat ek wil vra. Hoe kies jy wat se prentjie kom jy op? Ontwerp jy dit? Is daar sekere vereistes waaraan dit voldoen? So dit moet 'n Afrika tema hê of dit moet diere wees, want ek sien die meeste is maar diere en dit is bont. So moet dit diere wees en dit moet bont wees.
Yeah, so it depends on the mood and the theme of the exhibition. So I mean, we had exhibitions in the past where everything was subdued and natural colors and very quiet and it's minimalistic. But this year because it's whimsical Christmas, it's loud and
my kind of Christmas.
But if I do speak to the artists, there is always that factor of there should be something African animals.
Yeah.
It's important because we sell also a story here. You know, if a tourist comes and sees a giraffe and they're in love with a giraffe, then they've got options here to take the giraffe home with them.
Yeah.
So it's that definitely plays part of it. Yeah.
En die bond is natuurlik nou om by te pas by die whimsical tema, nee.
Yeah. But I mean, you know, like maybe next year everything's gonna be, you know, totally different. We don't know.
I think me and Joe will come back then because we love this bond.
Yeah. So then it might be natural colors and it might be a more natural looking, and a realistic looking elephant, as opposed to, you know, that looks like more of a mask. En
Die groep wat jy nou van gepraat het, is hulle hier in Namibië wat dit skep. Wat het jy gesê
Arizona? These guys? No,
yes.
they are based in South Africa.
Okay, so jy moet soontoe reis om dit nou. Hoe kom jy op hierdie?
No, we do it on Zoom.
Oh, you do it on Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
How do you get these people? Hoe vind jy hierdie?
Oh, yeah, like these, like I said, before also, is that these are all, most of them are long-standing suppliers of ours, and then
familie, nee.
Exactly. So we then come up with something new and fun to do. Yeah.
Is jy 'n kunstenaar, Mildred?
I don't know if artists really call themselves artists, but yes, I also paint, you know, like colorful animals and stuff, which this year there was no space for them, but yeah.
Maar jy skilder ook, wat mens sien die kunstenaars oog hier, nê? Want jy moet 'n kunstenaars oog hê. Ek dink nou as iemand wat nou nie daai oog het nie, dit nou probeer doen, dan gaan dit nou nie werk nie. Ek gaan dit nou glad nie optel nie. Maar jy het ook Aardmore. Kan ek maar net gou, ek gaan hom nie laat val nie.
You better not.
Ek gaan hom baie versigtig dra want dit is meer as my pensioen.
Ja.
Vertel 'n bietjie vir ons van dit, want Aardmore is ook al jare en dis baie bekend, nee.
Yeah, it's a old also a project from South Africa. The ceramics, I think everybody knows these ceramics, and they've also been, you know, like copied and replicated, but this is the real deal. And they also, yeah, exactly. And they also make, they've also started a few years ago to do a textile line with tablecloths and cushion covers and so on.
Ja, maar dit vertel ook 'n storie nie. Dit is, maar jy sê ons moet dit gebruik. I always it in your eyes. Really good om jou melk te gooi.
I always say that you know, if you see something that's been used, you know it's been loved.
Exactly.
It's like a book. If you see a new book, it hasn't been loved yet. You know, an old book where the pages are like this, then you know it's been
vir iemand, nee. Ja, daar's 'n emosie betrokke by dit.
So it's much better using this and getting compliments at a dinner table and talking about it, and you know, having a story to tell than just keeping it there and not using it.
Maar as dit okay as ek dit nie vir my man gee om te dra nie en dat net uit te dra en nie vir my dogter.
Put the sauce for everyone else.
Jy stel hom so uit met die sous en dan kry jy so een hier agter wat jy cheap een. Okay, dit is nou Aardmore. Watter ander produkte het jy nou nog van ek wil nou sê buitelanders wat jy nou jy het genoem nou net van Zimbabwe of Zambia?
Yeah, so the lots of Christmas decorations and the baskets, they are from Kenya, for instance. But all those banana leaf Christmas decorations, they made from they're from Kenya.
Oh, from Kenya. En dit is ook mense wat hulle want daai veral die banana leaves, dis iets wat ook nou al baie lank hierso by julle is. Dis ook julle het ook 'n geskiedenis. So dis mense saam met wie julle al 'n lang pad kom, Mildred.
Yeah. So sometimes even there we you know, when they bring the Christmas decorations, we sit together and say, maybe we could do this and we could do it in that color and try it like that. And then the next year they come with something different from the year before, so that it's not
repetitive, nee. So jy het in dit het jy ook jy het 'n vinger in die paai oral, like dit my Mildred.
I try to.
Dis die hele idee.
Ja.
Jou temas wat jy uitdink, whimsical. Ek dink mense kan vir my en jou beskryf as either quirky or whimsical. Is dit ook jy wat die tema van die uitstallings uitdink?
Yeah, so you know, with the Ikoba group together, we kind of come up with something, how it should look, and then we see what the theme is, what fits with it. But I mean, every artist and every designer has to stick to certain, or not has to, but sticks to certain trends and goes with certain trends. About, you know, like then you get all the things that influence that, you know, like.
Want dit is nou, jy praat van trends, nee, en ek dink 'n groot trend wat ek het nou in Suid-Afrika ook gesien, is om, jy weet die groot 5, jy's nou jonger as ek, maar waarmee ek groot geword het, is hierdie bruin, swaar, boring olifant of 'n zebra, maar nou post die zebra met 'n kroon op 'n bont tafeldoek. So dit is baie verander nie, want dit is obviously dan nou die trend, want ek sien dit nou in Suid-Afrika ook.
Yeah, I think that it probably also depends on the people coming to visit, because there are certain groups that still prefer the old-fashioned or the natural, not old-fashioned, more the natural. Especially the hunters, they would probably buy something like that and not that. You know, because they want the true version, and not everyone obviously, but that's the trend that I see is they rather go for the
normal,
the real life thing. Because
Maar mens moet daai as ons nou weer terugkom na trends toe nie, is dit iets wat jy omdat jy met toeriste werk, wat ons nou verder gereis het as Windhoek en Gebabes, moet jy kophou met trends? Kyk jy wat is in oorsee?
I would say yes and no. What my biggest difficulty is not that it doesn't look like last year's exhibition or the years before, or that was so that to still come up with something new. That's the biggest challenge I think for us. But you are with social media and everything. You are so influenced by everything coming from the outside, so you kind of go with that trend. Then you kind of get pushed into that.
Mildred, wat gebeur nou met die uitstalling wanneer hy nou eindig? Van die goed bly seker nou natuurlik hier, maar soos hierdie wat nou geskep is spesifiek vir hierdie whimsical onder die tema whimsical, wat word van dit? Bly dit hier of?
Yeah, so the Namibian made things mainly go here to our stall downstairs, but there's also so small, so it's not a lot of space. Then we've got 3 shops in Swakopmund where a lot of stock moves to, and now we've recently opened another shop here in Windhoek where a lot of that stuff is going to move to, and then people still have the chance to go and buy there.
Ja, so as jy dit nou hier gemis het, het jy nog 'n kans om hierdie te besigtig. Want ek weet ek kan nie bly. Ek sien maar ek sien nou vir Joe shop en sy het 'n sak wat ek wou gekoop het. So ek gaan nou groet. Dankie Mildred. Dit is altyd lekker om by jou te kuier.
Dankie.
Ons sien jou
volgende jaar
beslis weer.
Ja, ek hoop so.
Dankie Mildred.
Kan jy nou onthou wat is?
Nee, maar ons gaan nou beklei. Jou, daai is myne.
Nee,
en daai is myne. En ek het 'n voël of wat is dit?
Nee, dit is wat jy 'n voël met so lank slip gesien. As daai 'n voël is, nee, dan is hier 'n renotster.
O, okay.
Maar dis awesome, hulle staan so reg op Betty.
Yes, ons het so lekker geshop hier by Mildred in die Craft Center. Ek het nou die Kersfees. Ja. Kom soek vir jou 'n Kerspresentjie met pappa se kaart.
Met pappa se kaart en jy kan dit absoluut jy kan
uniek.
Jy kan dit motiveer want elke ding wat jy hier koop verskaf 'n werkgeleentheid. Hoofsaaklik vir 'n vrou daar buitekant. Plus 'n klomp van dit is herwinbare materiaal. Nou ons het vir jou nou al die goeie verskonings en redes gegee
ons
om
gaan
hier
nou
uit te
betaal.
kom. Het jy jou kaart gebring?
Dani se kaart is ons hier. Daar albei se kaart. Ons het albei se kaart.
Dis reg. Julle moet 'n heerlike
Lekker naweek
hê.
julle.